I bet you didn't know these insurance mistakes could be costly. Many people overlook the importance of understanding their insurance policies, and this can lead to significant financial losses. Insurance is meant to be a safety net, but if you don't handle it correctly, it can become a financial burden instead. Mistake number 1, underestimating coverage needs. This is a common error that can have devastating consequences. Imagine your home gets damaged in a storm or your car is involved in a major accident. If your insurance coverage isn't sufficient to cover the full cost of repairs or replacements, you could be left paying out of pocket for the difference. Yeah, that means not having enough insurance to cover the full cost of repairs or replacements. It's crucial to assess your coverage needs accurately. Many people make the mistake of opting for the minimum coverage to save on premiums, but this can backfire when disaster strikes. Fix it by getting a proper evaluation of your home's value and belongings. Conduct a thorough inventory of your possessions and consider the cost of rebuilding your home from scratch. Consult with a real estate agent or an insurance professional to get an accurate estimate. This way, you can ensure that your coverage is adequate and that you're not left in a financial lurch when you need it the most. Next up, ignoring the fine print. This is a mistake that can sneak up on you. Many people are guilty of quickly scrolling through the terms and conditions without paying attention to the details. It's like ignoring the terms and conditions of a new app. Not smart. The fine print in your insurance policy contains crucial information about what is covered and what is not. Ignoring it can lead to unpleasant surprises when you file a claim. Always read the details or you'll miss out on crucial info like exclusions and limits. Exclusions are specific situations or circumstances that your policy does not cover. Limits refer to the maximum amount your insurance will pay for a covered loss. Understanding these details can help you avoid unexpected out-of-pocket expenses. Third mistake, overpaying for unnecessary policies. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer number of insurance options available. Sometimes, in an attempt to be fully covered, people end up purchasing policies they don't really need. No one wants to pay for things they don't need, right? It's essential to review your insurance policies regularly to ensure that you're not paying for coverage that is redundant or unnecessary. Review your policies annually to ditch what doesn't serve you. Take the time to go through each policy and assess whether it still meets your needs. If you find that certain coverages are no longer relevant, consider canceling or adjusting them to save on premiums. Mistake 4, forgetting to update your policy after renovations. Home improvements can significantly increase the value of your property. If you don't update your insurance policy to reflect these changes, you might not be fully covered in case of damage or loss. Added a new kitchen or a fancy deck? These upgrades can enhance the value and functionality of your home, but they also need to be included in your insurance coverage. Make sure your insurance knows about it to cover those sweet upgrades. Contact your insurance provider and inform them about the renovations. They will adjust your policy to ensure that the new additions are adequately covered. This way, you can enjoy your upgraded home without worrying about potential financial setbacks. And finally, mistake number 5, not shopping around. Many people stick with the same insurance provider for years without considering other options. This can result in paying higher premiums than necessary. Different insurers offer different rates. It's essential to compare quotes from multiple providers to ensure that you're getting the best deal. Compare quotes to make sure you're getting the best deal out there. Use online comparison tools or consult with an insurance broker to find the most competitive rates. Don't be afraid to switch providers if you find a better offer. Loyalty to one insurer can be costly if you're not getting the best value for your money. So, there you have it. Avoid these blunders and keep your wallet happy. By being proactive and informed about your insurance policies, you can save yourself from unnecessary expenses and ensure that you're adequately protected. Like and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Stay tuned for more advice on how to manage your finances wisely and make the most of your insurance coverage. Your financial well-being is important, and we're here to help you navigate the complexities of insurance with ease. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to insurance. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Take control of your insurance policies today and secure a financially stable future for yourself and your loved ones. Consult with professionals if you're unsure about any aspect of your insurance. Financial advisors and insurance agents can provide valuable insights and help you tailor your coverage to meet your specific needs. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification on any terms or conditions you don't understand. Do your research and stay informed about the latest trends and changes in the insurance industry. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about your coverage. Keep an eye out for new products and services that might offer better protection or savings. And remember, the goal of insurance is to provide peace of mind. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your insurance works for you when you need it the most. Celebrate your smart choices and enjoy the security that comes with being well insured. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. Help them avoid these costly mistakes and make informed decisions about their insurance. Together, we can create a community of well-informed individuals who are prepared for whatever life throws their way. Set reminders to review your insurance policies regularly. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. By staying on top of your coverage, you can ensure that you're always adequately protected. Taking these steps might seem tedious, but the peace of mind you'll gain is worth it. Knowing that you're well covered and that you've avoided these common pitfalls will give you confidence and security. So go ahead, take control of your insurance today. Make informed decisions, stay proactive, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're well protected. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tips and insights. Stay informed, stay protected, and keep your finances in check. Until next time, take care and stay